Hello, this is day 7 of me trading. Um, so today I took a trade that, yeah, it was kind of, I don't know, the trade would have been good if not some mistake happens because I, like the day started somewhere here, then I looked at the chart, I thought, okay, nothing is really happening. Like, yeah, if you see like three candles that look like this, you don't know what to do, just like here. But then the price went crashing down, and then I saw some opportunity because I thought, okay, trend will switch, break of structure right here, inverse fair value gap right here. Then I marked out this equilibrium. Okay, I thought, okay, yeah, price retraced into that area. Um, so now I can buy. So I bought right here, set my stop loss below like this line right here, and my take profit at this line because it was like some previous day low. Yeah, right here. Um, or was it even? No, it was Asia session low, not previous day low. So yeah, that was my take profit. Then price came up like here to this point where it was, yeah, I made this arrow so I can visualize it better. Also, I marked out some fair value gaps right here, but they are not important. It was just in the process of the market going down, I just marked them out. And yeah, when I took the trades right here, stop loss down here, take profit right here. It was kind of not a right here, not a good risk to reward ratio. I think 1.5 or something, or 1.7, but it doesn't matter because as long as it's above 1.1, it's fine. Um, but then the price went down here. My stop loss was hit, okay. Then the price moved a bit sideways. Also, I marked out this order block right here. I'm not sure if it's right because after that, yeah, the price went up again, equilibrium. So price went like into that discounted area, retraced it multiple times in here, and then it went up above my take profit that I said before. And then on New York session where I want to trade from 2 p.m. to like 4, like nothing really happened. It was like, yeah, this area, or not even this area. I think when I looked at chart, it was like this area. I thought, okay, what what am I going to mark out right here? So now, as I can see it, I think it's a very good example of an order block, like right here. Yeah, I think that's a very good example of an order block because as you can see, yeah, okay, order block here, price went up, it came down to the order block and then shot up again. So yeah, I always just notice these kind of confluences after I took my trade. So yeah, that's kind of counterproductive, but it is that it is. I'm just getting better at this every day, so I don't think it's like that deep that I'm missing some of these, but I think my trade idea was like somewhat right. If this stop loss right down here wouldn't have been hit, then I would have gone out with a win, but yeah, that happened in the past. I can change how it happened and everything, so I just need to take it as it is. Um, and I'm looking if I can also find like mark out this gap box right here, so we also would have like an equilibrium. Like the price went below this 50% mark, and then it like shot up again. So I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong with this, but I think that's kind of, yeah, kind of right. And also price went up a bit because we just always see it like crashing down every day. Like right here was um some crash down, but it went up again and recovered quickly. Then on the next day, it also came down again, and then on the same day, it like came down another time. It came up right here, so that gap was kind of fixed, but it came down crashing again, like massive, massive bearish candle down here. Then yeah, that day it kind of did nothing, but then it came down crashing again. On this day, it's kind of just moved sideways, but then it also came down crashing again. Oh no, right here. I'm just going to remove that. And after that, price just comes crashing down right here when London session opens right at the beginning. So like the first candle at the beginning of the market is like a big down candle. And yeah, then I'm sad I wasn't online for longer because I could have easily took this opportunity to trade, but again I was in class from right here to here, so I really hadn't the opportunity to look at the charts at that time. I need to pay attention to everything and also needed to write an ST and essay and everything. So yeah, that's kind of, yeah, I need to improve that pretty soon because I can't keep missing out on these trades. But I'm glad I took this trade in the morning. It was like at a good time to take the trades. Like some on a Monday morning, I always have like some free time to take a trade on London session. And yeah, this kind of sad that I missed this out, but it's not that deep. Uh, the market will open again tomorrow, and there will be new opportunities tomorrow. There will always be opportunities because the market always opens and always closes again, and yeah, the market doesn't care what you do. So that's a good thing. Also, I set my stop loss like right below here because I thought, okay, that's when my trade idea kind of gets invalidated because I wanted to price to go in like that price range right here and not like down here and create a new low for the day. So I thought, okay, price range has to be like somewhere in here. So I put my stop loss just below that and take profit. I thought this was like a good key level here. The previous day low from here. And yeah, as I'm just right here, I can also mark out this high for today and yeah, see what price does. Tomorrow I'm excited again, and yeah, I can take the trade in the morning at London session because I'm writing a big exam at that time. It's like 2 hours long, so that will be kind of difficult for me to take a trade right there. Also, I could do it before that, but it will be kind of stressful because I still want to learn a bit before my exam and everything, and I also think my head is like more clear after the exam is over. So I will try to catch a trade in New York session and see what happens. Because most of the time when like New York Stock Exchange opens and London Stock Exchange is still open, then yeah, the most price action happens. Like here, okay, yeah, London session stopped right here, I think. I don't know right now if it's 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. But as you can see, the price moved very rare right here compared to the rest of the day. But okay, this kind of a big price movement, but after that it's not really moved that much, but here it shut up again. So I also don't think there's much more to say for today. Kind of a weak day for me because yeah, I could have done better, but as you know, I'm just trying to improve every day. I think I'm already doing way better than I did before in the last week. So this is actually my first 7 days finished with trading, my first week. And as of right now, I can say I made some good progress, some um, progress that you can also see. I rewatched my videos of the week, and yeah, I think I kind of made good progress. So overall, it went pretty well that week. Also, yeah, I did not have watched any more like YouTube videos and stuff on some trading strategies and everything because I also think it's very important to just like collect experience because you can't you can't collect experience by just watching hours and hours and more YouTube videos. You need to you need to practice. If you don't practice on the charts, then you really can't get better because as for example when you play basketball you also or football you can't get better by just watching pros play or um, watching some technique videos. You need to play, you need to practice, you need to go out and can't just sit on your chair and do the theory. Okay, when it comes to trading you are still sitting in a chair when you do the practical work, but you get it. So yeah, that's kind of my point. So I am hoping I'm improving and it's not just like something in my head. And also, I think my psychology is pretty good on trading because like I don't overtrade. I am patient. I don't trade off emotions. I set my stop loss. I set my take profit, and then I don't change anything. I just wait for the price to hit it, take profit or stop loss if it like when I could have sold right here. Um, I also had like the urge to sell right here when price was like this high, but I thought, okay, let's let it happen. I don't let my emotions take over. I set my stop loss, I set my take profit, so I will wait for my stop loss and my take profit to get hit. So that's kind of the psychology behind my trades. Um, Also, one thing I noticed is that my language and my speaking skills got a bit better. My English speaking skills, I'm speaking more fluently, using less filler words. I know it's still very bad, and I need to take less breaks between my sentences and everything, and between the words, and use less of these not filler words, but yeah, some of the words I'm always using also on some words. My Oh, okay, I forgot it. How it's called. Yeah, it's a bit late and I had a long day, so I I can't find out the word it's called right now. Yeah, just forget about it. Um, yeah, because I don't have a script and the video is uncut, like always. I thought I would maybe cut or just cut my videos just a bit with like CapCut and just to improve the quality like a little bit with not with much effort. I think you can increase the quality by a good amount. And yeah, I think I yapped enough for today. I think I yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. And also, please correct me in the comments if anything I said is wrong, if anyone even sees this, and just please help me improve. I'm always open to criticism. I don't hate you if you say, okay, everything you just said is straight up trash. So just tell me if that's the case, and just tell me what I can improve. And yeah, that's it for today. Have a nice Monday evening, and tomorrow I will upload my next video. Bye bye.